All right, guys. Good morning, or as they say in German, Guten Tag. No, wait, that's not it. That's hello. Guten. I think it's Guten Morgen. So, for those of you who listen to this or watch this podcast later, Guten Morgen. I hope I say that right. I think I did. Anyway, good morning. Live from Ohio. This is Total OS Today, Total Technology for beginners and beyond. This morning, just an open chat. Whatever is on your mind, I'm sure I will probably miss most of you. You can watch this, listen to this on the replay. These type of morning chats are basically no webcam. It's just me, my new 50-inch 4K TV, and I'm actually doing these as I'm doing my morning stretches here on the carpet. And it feels good to stretch in the morning, especially the last 2 days. My back was a little sore, and my lower back. And doing these morning stretches, daily stretches, seems to alleviate the back problem, at least for me. So welcome to this morning Total OS Open Chat, live show, podcast, little ditty. Little ditty about Jack and I. I don't know why I just thought of John Cougar. So just some random topics for this morning. Let me check my mic real quick. Input, test, test. All right, looks good here. So we're looking good. Alrighty then. Well, Timo is in the house. My dear friend Tim, how are you? Welcome to this morning's live podcast. I was trying to schedule a bunch of us for a New Year's Eve live show, but Tim, it doesn't look like it's going to happen. Looks like everybody has something going on, whether it's because with family or because of COVID or whatever. Completely understandable. So I may do something live solo. See what happens. I think here it's going to rain all week. It's kind of depressing. So when is New Year's Eve? Would be Friday night. Yeah. So anyway, yeah. So no live group show this weekend, it looks like. So Tim says going back to bed after the chat. You're an hour behind. Well, it's only what is it? It's 9:39. So it's only an hour. Jeez. Going back to bed. I slept in a little bit. Like I just woke up like 20 minutes ago, so yeah. Yeah, I hear you. But I don't know. There are some mornings I can sleep in, but usually when it's about 9 or so, unless for some reason I went to bed late the night before, yeah, I'm usually up by 9 o'clock, so yeah. Hello, Nazi. Welcome. How are you? Your mom tested positive from the home test. Oh, no. My goodness. What a year to forget, Tim. One of my closest friends here in town, his mom had to have emergency surgery up in Pittsburgh. UPMC. Anyway, the surgery was successful. Thank God. So she's recuperating. He's up there now, and hopefully we can meet up later, catch up with coffee, or actually screw the coffee, more like beer or wine. What a year to forget, my friends. So yeah, don't know what's in store for 2022. It's not starting off good, but hey, keep the faith, keep healthy, use your head, stay out of trouble. Anyway, all right, so this is just an open chat, like I said, for this morning. Just random topics, whatever is on your mind. Tim, I hope your mom is doing okay. So just whatever's on your mind, whether it's technology topics or whatever. I am still using Windows 11 as I record this. It's, what can I say? I don't use Windows that much. Windows 10 or 11, not that much. Very happy with Linux with my Ubuntu based systems, whether it's Zorn. Actually, with this one, and let me go ahead and transition here since everything looks good. All right, very good there. And let's do this. So those of you who are watching this is my desktop on my nice 50-inch 4K TV. Anyway, yeah, I was really smart. I bought two Christmas gifts. I bought myself a 4K TV, and I bought a used Lexus. I gave the Lexus to my son, as you see here. This is just a different car. This is some car lot up in Pittsburgh here on the screen. This is a gold one. I bought my son a silver one. So I bought two things, the Lexus and the TV, and my friend says, wait, you gave your son the Lexus? It's my only child. What can I say? Hello, Sir Seuss. How are you? Anyway, these cars, these are like the diamonds of cars. These are like the Ubuntu, the Debian stable of cars. These Lexuses, they are just about as perfect as a car can be. Anyway, but I digress. So let's see here. We're all in the green. All right, looks good. So yeah, I'm still using Windows 11. It just works. It you know, very happy with. Now this one here, I dual boot with I've been testing Zorn OS Lite, and yeah, it's a winner. So if you are new to this, any newbies watching, listening to this later, curious about Linux, want to try something simple and light, try Zorn OS 16 Lite is superb. And so I'm going to delete Zorn off of this test machine. There's nothing wrong with this. So what should I test next? The new Linux Mint is out. Maybe that one. There's something called Cutefish OS, but I think that's not finalized. Yeah, that's something new. Makulu Linux, I think, has a new one out. Makulu always looks good. They have several versions. Well, thank you, Sir Seuss. He says you're a good dad. I try to be. Yeah. Well, it's when I bought the car, I originally bought it for myself because mine started to have some rust issues. But my son's mom was having issues with her car with just 20,000 miles. She just bought it like a couple years ago. So I said, well, here's a Lexus for you and Mom if you need it. And that's why I did not keep the car. But yeah. Vincenzo was in the house. I see a Windows user. He says, where? Oh, me. Yeah, it's me. Yeah. Yep. Anyway, so that's why I gave my son the car. But shopping for another one, if I can find another good deal, yeah, I may get one for myself. We'll see. But mine just got to keep an eye on the rust. Anyway. All right, so again, just an open chat here. As I was saying, Windows 11. Yeah, superb. I mean, what can I say? Let's see how much RAM we're using here. 3.1 gigs. That's not bad. Windows 11 doing all this, on the big screen TV and OBS Studio. Yeah. All of this. So it's not bad. If you are thinking about upgrading to Windows 11 from Windows 10 or buying a new computer with Windows 11, so far in my tests, it has been superb. Pleasantly surprised. Yeah, I mean, really surprised. Microsoft said months ago it's going to be faster than Windows 10, and I was like, yeah, right. Dang, it is. It is, yeah, so anyway. Yes, Windows 11, I give it a thumbs up. Still cannot completely use it. Still like Linux, but yeah. Joseph is in the house. Good morning. Tim says you have 4 kids that are grown. Wow, okay. Wow, whew. That's a lot of kids. Hang on, I need a drink. No coffee this morning, just some orange juice. Maybe I'll get coffee later, but cheers to all the kids, Tim. Yeah, I'm drinking this out of the bottle here. This is from Kroger's. Oh, shoot. December 26th. This is expired? Is it okay to drink 2-day expired orange juice? I don't know. It tastes the same to me. Now, what the heck? It's almost done anyway. Anyway. What was I saying? Yeah, so performance for Windows 11. Can't complain. It works. So I need suggestions on what to dual boot with this. Sleepy says the Linux Mint 20. I downloaded it. It's on my USB stick, and I'm thinking about installing that one, Vince, to replace Zorn on this one as a dual boot. Nothing wrong with Zorn, but I like to move on. So it might be Linux Mint, Vincenzo. We'll see. Maybe I'll dual boot that with Windows 11 to complement Windows 11, I guess, right? So Joseph got a new external SSD for a new Linux distro. Okay. Yeah, I installed Ubuntu on an external drive, not an SSD, but an old drive from a Toshiba laptop years ago, and it's fine. So will we fine to drink, Tim? Okay. All right, cool. Yeah, this few days old orange juice doesn't taste any different, but I will probably finish it this morning, so. Chicago, Chicago. Yeah, Tim's in Chicago. Anyway. Vincenzo says, let us know tomorrow if it was okay to drink. Oh, wait, man, wait. Oh, man. You know what? I may have to go use the Steam Deck, if you know what I mean. Well, I don't feel anything now. Anyway. I don't know. It tastes fine to me, so. I think probably like a lot of stuff that's past its due date, it's probably still safe to, drink. I remember. I think I read somewhere like drugs like aspirin or even some prescribed meds, even past the due date, they're perfectly safe to take. They may lose some potency. Anybody hear about that? That's what I heard. So yeah, I don't know. All right, so the finalization of the latest Mint is mid-January. I haven't really, like I said, at the beta release, Linux Mint beta releases, just like the Ubuntu base releases beta, are usually fairly stable, so I don't see a problem, yeah. I mean, if it's not final, it's got to be close. Maybe some last minute, tweaks, bugs to fix, but it should be safe. Yes, good laughs. So, yeah, those of you who watch this or listen to this on the replay, if you guys are available New Year's Eve for a live show, let me know. As of now, there is nobody available, which I totally get. Nobody's available. Nobody wants to talk to me. No, I'm just kidding. I may do a solo live, so, which is fine. It's all good. Let your taste buds tell you if it's still okay. Yeah, normally I could tell by smell if the smell is off, Vince, but no, it smells okay. But yeah, after I drink this, I'm gonna finish it or just toss it. Yeah, it's 3 days past due for OJ. So anyway. Sir Sue says, mother-in-law had the great idea to make homemade champagne. Major fail. Oh, man. Oof. Okay, don't try this at home with kids. Right, unless you don't like your kids. But a bump bump. Those of you who watch this or listen to this, we really are good friends here. This is just all for laughs. Okay? Yeah. Anyway. So yeah, I'm going to probably delete Zorin from this dual boot sometime this week, and maybe install Linux Mint. I don't know. Tim L says you should be available New Year's Eve. Tim, okay. Tim, I tell you what. You let me know if you are. Send me an email, like Friday, and maybe we'll go live. Yeah, if you are, let me know. Right now, yeah. I think Ben might be available, but he usually doesn't stick around. So anyway, let me know if you are, and then I'll make a decision. So yeah. All right, just checking my messages on my phone here. There. All right. Dan is in the house. New Year's Eve is good for you. Okay, so we got 2 people that might be able to join and stick around. I'd like to get at least 5 or 6 for New Year's Eve. If we can, have some fun. So, yeah. It looks like I'm looking at the bottom right of my taskbar. All right, so Windows 11, yes, your device needs to restart to install the updates. Thank you for not force restarting Windows. I appreciate it. I think I'll wait. I just noticed the red or the orange dot there. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, looking good. Could also give Elementary OS a try. I mean, I've tried it in the past. It's just not for me. It looks good, but it's too. Elementary OS is just weird. You know what I mean? It's just not for me. It's too locked down. So it's not for me. It looks good. I'm sure it's stable, but yeah, I don't think I'll be installing Elementary. It's either going to be like a Linux Mint or Makulu Linux or what was the other one? I thought about Cutefish, but that just came out in beta, so maybe not that one, but it might be Linux Mint. So anyway, as a dual boot. As you can see here, I've allotted about not quite 200 gigs for my Linux partition. Right here on the right, those of you who are watching this. So normally what I do here is once I reset the bootloader for Windows, I delete this partition here and this here to install another Linux. So basically with this, anything that does not say NFTS, which is part of Windows, don't delete that or this. These 2 here is what I would use to install custom partitioning. Not recommended for newbies, but that's what I normally do. I have tried Antics in the past, and it's super, super lightweight and fast. This machine here, I just installed an SSD, so I don't really need anything that light and fast, but yeah. Different horses for different courses. Yeah. You're waiting to get rescued, Seuss? Trapped in a stairway at work? Okay. Should I even ask? I'm afraid to ask. Why are you trapped? All right, another sip of OJ here. Well, I hope you're okay, man. All right, what shall we do here? Let's see here. Let's go back here. All right, so performance is fine. So this is just a cumulative update for Windows 11. Probably some kind of security updates pending restart. Restart required estimate 4 minutes. Oh, 4 minutes to install the update. Interesting. That's the first time I've seen this. If I read this right, estimate is 4 minutes. Huh. Okay. I'll wait on that though. Very good. Let's use everybody's favorite web browser, Microsoft Edge. Edge is actually pretty good. It is good. Looks like it's going to rain the rest of the week here. Oh, man. News about Jeff Bezos. Okay. Some news about a 2018 Lexus. Very good. So yeah, the Microsoft Edge is not bad at all. Paul Stanley tests positive. Paul Stanley from the rock band Kiss tests positive for COVID-19 for the second time. And maybe they should make an album about COVID. Or not. Let's see what news about Windows 11. All right, let's see here. Windows 11, 3 big changes. Want to see in 2022. Maybe it'll be even faster. I don't know. Windows 11 screen issue confirmed. HDR displays. Oops, I don't have that. Get Windows 11, 10, and Microsoft Office deal starting at $12. Very good. How to disable Windows 11 startup sound. I think mine is disabled. Yeah, so I guess there's some kind of a Windows 11 bug causing HDR color rendering issues. Interesting. That's the first major bug I've heard for Windows 11 so far, I think. But yeah. How to make Windows 11 look and feel more like Windows 10. Why would anybody want to do that? Just a thought. Yeah, so the big news is Windows 11 glitch for HDR displays. Well, I don't have one, so thankfully I'm okay. Yeah, that's the big Windows news. HDR display. So those of you who have HDR displays in Windows 11, yeah, let me know later what's going on. I'm kind of curious. Okay. Yeah, not a good day to kiss if you have COVID. I would have to agree, 100%. Yeah, it's speaking of kissing, the last time I went on a date was in June. Only because I knew the girl, she's a nurse, and she was fully vaccinated. A friend of mine from Florida, but yeah, it's not a good idea to kiss anyone. Yeah. Yeah, Tamara, you bought a Kia back in June. Loving it. Very good. Linux Bytes is in the house. What's up? I don't know too much about the Kias. I see quite a few of them of those around here. But yeah. Is it possible to create custom desktop launchers on the Mate desktop? You can do anything on the Mate desktop. I haven't done that personally. I think first you have to go into the Mate tweak tool and do something from there. After that, off the top of my head, I don't remember, Joseph, but I'm sure that you can. Windows 11 does not allow you to use two-finger scroll. Okay, I have not really messed with that personally. Yeah, Windows 11, Windows 11 doesn't quite feel complete as far as an OS. It's getting there, but I'm sure those fixes, options, settings are coming in future updates. But in terms of just sheer speed and stability, it's the best Windows, I think, since, well, Windows 7. So, yeah. Elon Musk says SpaceX will land humans on Mars in 10 years. Really? He must live next to one of those, where marijuana dispensaries, I think. Hey, listen, if we could really do that, that would be great, So where are you going on vacation, Mars? Say what? No, really, Mars. Okay. Oh, man. Really? Good morning, labor. Timo says, Linux completes me. That's fine. I would rather be completed with Linux and a blonde or a brunette or a redhead, but hey, to each his own, But a bulb. I'm curious, now that I got the web browser open, how much RAM are we using now? Okay, 3.4 gigs out of 8. Still not bad. Not bad. Yeah. Not bad at all. Lamer, you switched Ubuntu 24 LTE. Yeah, that's on my external hard drive. Yeah, it's fine. It's stable. Yeah. I kind of wish they had a different desktop environment, but it is stable. And I will recommend anything that is stable. Why not? Yeah. Tesla should put you on Mars for the price. Yeah, I don't know how much that's going to cost if they're really going to put people to Mars in 10 years, but yeah, don't know about that one. Let's see. Amazon's Alexa assistant told a child to do a potentially lethal challenge. Ouch! I don't think I'll go there. My goodness. Dubai restaurant using tech to stop seafood fraud. Okay. Should I even go there? Yeah, let's move on.